2024 Subaru Solterra, what to expect? Subaru, a company that has always been known for its boxer engines and all-wheel drive, is starting a new chapter in its history, which leans toward full electrification. Several models are planned for the next 5 years, but the company already has an EV in its lineup. That model is called Solterra and it shares most of the parts with Toyota bZ4X. It debuted last year, so the 2024 Subaru Solterra will represent the second production year. At this point, the officials are still quiet, but we are pretty sure there will be no significant changes. Moreover, things should remain pretty much the same. So, what we expect to see is a familiar design, with the same specs and features. This all-electric SUV offers decent performance and range, but we like it mostly because it is the most capable off-roader among small electric crossovers. Also, the cabin is spacious and comfortable, while the cargo area is also pretty decent for the class. As there are no changes planned for the next year, we presume that the launch date will be scheduled for the last quarter of the year. 2024 Subaru Solterra design. As mentioned, the 2024 Subaru Solterra will represent the second production year of the generation. This means that, most likely, we won't see any notable change. This electric crossover shares most of its parts with the Toyota bZ4X, both in terms of mechanics and aesthetics. It rides on Toyota's ETNGA platform and even features the same exterior dimensions. The key difference in terms of aesthetics is at the front, where Solterra stands out with a little bit more aggressive look. The key difference is in the drivetrain offers. While Toyota also offers an FWD version, Subaru sticks with its tradition and offers only an AWD model. What we like about Solterra is that it features respectable 8.3 inches of ground clearance, which is great for an electric crossover. Moreover, Subaru's well-known X mode is also part of the standard equipment, just like hill descent control. So, we could say that this model offers a surprisingly high off-road potential for an EV. The on-road ride quality is also pretty good. The ride is smooth and comfortable, while the handling is pretty decent too. Interior. Once again, expect to see no changes. The 2024 Subaru Solterra will continue with the same cabin design, which received mixed reviews. Some like its simple and straightforward dashboard design with a couple of futuristic details, while others consider it bland. In any case, the build quality is good and everything seems durable, though you won't find too many areas with fancy materials. As for the passenger space and comfort, there is nothing to complain about. The front seats are comfortable and positioned very high, which ensures good visibility in all directions. The second row also accommodates adults comfortably, while the sound insulation is also very good. The cargo area is also pretty good for the segment. You may count on about 30 cubic feet behind the second row, which is more than most EVs of similar size offer. Features. Once again, we are referring to the fact that this is going to be the second production year of the generation. For that reason, it's hard to believe that the 2024 Subaru Solterra could come with more important updates. Of course, new standard features are possible here and there, but most things will certainly remain untouched. So, we expect base models to come with a very similar list of standard equipment, which currently includes goodies like a 7-inch digital instrument cluster, 8-inch infotainment screen, automatic climate control and a long list of connectivity features, such as wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth, USB ports and many more. There are a few more things you can get and which will probably remain options in the 2024 Subaru Solterra. For example, there is a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen, as well as a navigation system, Harman Kardon stereo, digital key, wireless charging, Wi-Fi hotspot, panoramic sunroof etc. The same thing is with safety features. We expect no bigger changes, so all models could come standard with goodies like automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, adaptive cruise control and more. Higher trim levels would also offer goodies like park assist, rain sensing wipers, surround view cameras and many more. 2024 Subaru Solterra drivetrain, battery, performance. Updates in other aspects are possible but not in terms of drivetrain. We will see the same setup and, as we already mentioned, this SUV comes only in the AWD variant. That setup includes 2 electric motors, one on each axle. The total output goes up to 215 horsepower and 249 pound-feet of torque. With that amount of power and all-wheel drive, it's not a surprise that this SUV can hit 60 in about 6 seconds. As for the battery, there is a decently sized 70 kWh unit, which ensures up to 228 miles of range. It's not spectacular but it is decent for the class. What's not so great is the charging speed, which is lower compared to rivals. As a result, you will need almost an hour to recharge 80% of the battery. 2024 Subaru Solterra release date and price. So, the 2024 Subaru Solterra will not feature bigger changes and that's why we expect to see it sometime in the last quarter of the year. As for the price, we presume that base versions will go around $45,000. Range topping models will go around $53,000.